It's time to learn this Elvis Presley song all in under 5 minutes. Let's go.
Dreams come true in blue Hawaii, and mine could all come true this magic night of nights with you.
The original key to the song was G sharp, but I've transposed it down half a step to the key of G, which makes it super easy because the bulk of the song is G, C and D, 3 chords. Now if you really want to see how that comes together, I did this great little 3-chord Elvis song mashup including 7 songs. I'll leave the link above there. Go and check that out to get inspired. Anyway, back to the song. It's got 3 foundational chords, G, C and D. And it's got a few extra chords in it when we break into the chorus. They are an A minor, and an E. And I throw in a few 7th variations on those. Right, let's get into the verse. Before we start, do download the free song sheet, the link in the description below. It's got the chords, it's got the lyrics, everything you need to know to practice this song. Just demo it for you now. I'll do it high tempo because we're on a 5-minute lesson here. That's G, and C, back to the G, D, down to C, and you are back to the G, heaven to me. And you just repeat that for the second verse. That's so easy, isn't it? So we transition straight to the chorus. With me, that's on C. While moon's on the sea. So what did I do there? So C to G, and then that cool little transition from a G, I'm doing a G bar chord, but we need to get to the A, alright? And I actually slide it up 1 to the G sharp to the A. The night is, that's A. And so are D bar chord. And then I do this little D augment where I'm putting my middle finger on the skinny string 6th fret. Hear the difference? Normal D, D augment, and then a slide. And then we do the second part of the chorus. Dreams come true. Little slide down in C. That part, so that's G, F sharp, F, E, to an E7. The night is A minor, D7, and you are heaven to me. Back to the top of the chorus. Let's do A. I'm going to do that D to the D augment. So D, D augment. Let's get started with the foundational strum to this song. I'm starting on the chord of G. It goes down, down, down block, right? So that's pretty simple, isn't it? Just 3 down strums with the block. Right, we're going to pick it up a bit now and get to the strum that you'd probably play during the song. So that, my friends, are the building blocks to this song. If you enjoyed this and you like Elvis songs, be sure to subscribe because as I said, I'm bringing you more Elvis songs over the next few weeks. And if you really love the song, check out my cover song version. I'll leave a link above and a link below, and you can see how I play the song from start to finish. Hey, thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.
Night and you and you are heaven to me. Lovely you and blue Hawaii, with all its loveliness, there should be love. Come with me while the moon is on the sea. The night is young, and so are we, so are we. Dreams come true in blue Hawaii, and mine could all come true this magic night of nights with you. Come with me while the moon is on the sea. The night is young, and so are we, so are we. Dreams come true and blue Hawaii, and mine could all come true this magic night of nights with